What up, you little bitch?
I'll park in your front. What is it?
What?
What steering wheel is it?
It's called DAMD steering wheel.
DMD.
Yeah,
So
DAMD.
motherfuckers, we'll be putting in the DMD. DND.
DAMD.
DMD.
Yeah, DAMD.
Putting in a DMD steering wheel today. Did that work? Like,
Yeah, it worked, man. So, I bought this from Nengen Performance over in Japan, and they said it was about a month wait time, and I got it in 5 days, so let's fucking open this shit. Take it out one. Feels like hell bulky, it's heaps good.
yeah, hey. It's chunky. What's the other one like? The stock one.
Well, it's in the car still, isn't it? So the first thing we got to do is disconnect the battery. The reason we're disconnecting the battery is because the airbag module still keeps a bit of charge. So for whatever reason when we're disconnecting it, it can deploy and it can potentially kill you by fucking God knows what, heaps of different fucking ways. So let's not do that. So the thing is we have to disconnect it and then pump the brakes. That's what I've heard.
Wait, why pump the brakes?
Apparently gets rid of charge out of the car.
You only need to disconnect it for up to 15 minutes because I'm not going to say it because if I'm wrong I sound like a dickhead.
15 minutes for what? Because
when you have
watch out, you don't hit that fucking...
Yeah. When you have a crash, it holds charge in case, for instance, someone rear ends you. It's still got that charge to deploy the airbags in case of that accident.
Okay.
If that makes sense. That's why it holds the charge.
Right. Okay, so we need 10mm socket.
Yeah, whatever gets rid of the...
But Dan, tell me a bit about yourself, mate. What do you drive?
My name's Dan. I'm 19 years of age.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
And I drive a boat.
Oh, fuck.
It's not a 33 Skyline. It's a Ford Falcon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you putting down at the wheels, mate?
We're putting out close to... No.
250 horsepower?
We got 180 kilowatts at the wheels.
So what's that in horsepower? This is for the United States of America people following it.
Oh, I'm sorry, Americans, but we're up to date. We're not using the Imperial system anymore, so you're going to have to convert that yourselves.
Yeah, because we got...
disconnected, that was hell loose.
Really?
Yeah.
What the How? We tightened that up at the thing that day. There's something wrong with that. I swear I need to get a new clamp or terminal.
Yeah.
That's so bullshit.
Hold up.
Really, Dan? We're fucking filming.
Oh, no. I was going to check which one to undo, but I don't think it really matters.
You're hell photogenic. I don't know what's going on here, but you actually don't look half bad on the camera.
Thanks, man.
Alright, so disconnect the battery. Now we wait 15 minutes, yeah?
Yeah, wait 15 minutes. After that, there'll be some backing screws
On the steering, yes, yeah. Then we take that off,
and then simply it looks like there will just be an axle for this to go onto, or a spline I should say.
Hang on, let me adjust.
So what we're thinking is that there will obviously be the horn case with some screws on the back. We'll undo those screws, and then there'll be the spline and a bolt on top of that. So we'll just need to undo the bolt. Sorry, either bolt or nut, depending on what it looks like. Wiggle the steering wheel off and replace.
Cool. What's going on?
These motherfuckers have been sitting here, not in your shed, but have been sitting around for 6 months now. The reason being is because 6 months ago I decided, you know what, I need this much dish at the front. Because the fronts look like Simmons, they were disgusting.
Alright, so a bit of a detour. We had to buy a tool set because we didn't have a, what, T30?
T30, yeah.
Yeah, so we need a T30 to get the, horn case off?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
I'm so scared. I do not want this airbag to go off.
Cool.
Oh, alright, so we'll be undoing the Torx bolt there and on the other side.
Yep.
And I'm not too sure, but I believe they're the only two holding the steering wheel cover on. Yep.
Yep.
Cool.
Bang.
I'm on edge right now. Do you know anyone with a scanner tool as well? Because, like Luke said, it may throw a code.
Yeah, I'll go to John.
Alright, cool.
I don't think it did because it didn't throw a code on his.
It didn't?
No.
I think that bolt's just sitting in there. It's like it doesn't want to
Come out.
come out, yeah.
Fair enough. We'll try the other one. It might be able to just pop out then if you do the other one.
Was that originally like that?
No, definitely not.
All you need to do for the horn case to come off is undo the two Torx bolts, one here and on the other side, they're both...
So they go to a point where they're like free spinning into the plastic?
Yeah, they just free spin inside the plastic here.
Yeah, and
then you'll be allowed...
We like lifted the horn case just up a little bit, and we kept like... What did we do? We twisted the torque bolt.
I was rotating the torque bolt.
And I just popped it out.
Yeah.
Cool. So they're out. So this is where we got the horn.
Dude, I'm scared. So you can see we've got our plug for the horn. And then we've got another plug back here. I'm sorry, I'm just freaking out.
Wait, no. You gotta unplug it from here?
There's one there as well.
No, we have to unplug it from here.
Alright.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, but then there's... oh, my mistake, sorry.
I'm recording if you do. Hold up, let me try. Oh, fuck. That's good?
Yeah. Hopefully it just pops up. Fuck, I'm gonna kill myself again.
Wait.
Here we go. So that's ready to come out like that. Alright, cool. So,
That's
for people who are going to do it for future reference, it's quite an odd looking clip. All that needs to be done, instead of just plugging in, this actually goes on top, and that yellow little clip actually clicks in by pushing it in. To remove it, all you need to do is, like I was doing before, just pop it out with a screwdriver flathead. I'm having a stab at a 17 mil.
Yeah,
we want a deep drive as well.
Alright, Dan, show us on the toolkit, mate, what you need.
17 mil. That looks like 7. Oh, fucking oath. You did get a breaker bar.
Yeah.
Cool. That works out well. Yeah, you don't want to be using the ratchet for this.
Yeah, no. Fuck that.
Is 17? Oh.
Did you get it already?
Yeah, I got it.
Fuck, you know. Remember that wheel needs to be on straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
And another thing as well, when taking wheels off, so you don't punch yourself in the face with a steering wheel, you leave the nut on at the end. Just double check that the wheel's straight, by the way. All good?
Yeah.
You leave that on, so when you wiggle it off, it doesn't... No. Yeah, because imagine all that force going onto your face. I don't know what would be worse, that mate. Or the airbag.
Don't know. Oh. Holy fuck. Alright.
Are you worried with me doing this?
Nah, man.
Alright, cool. Subaru.
Yeah,
like,
man.
comment, subscribe.
What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Nah, fair enough.
Dude, I can't believe how much progress we're making. It's good.
Yeah, it's not a fucking hard job, apparently.
It is when you don't know what you're doing.
Oh, sure.
Fine.
Dude, look at the size difference in the wheels.
Yeah, chunky wheels always feel better, I reckon.
Yeah, but look how small it is. It's so much smaller.
You reckon?
No, like, the diameter.
Oh, the diameter, yeah. No, this is much better.
Yeah, way better wheel.
So new wheels going back on with the backing case. All we need to do now is plug it in, bolt it in, basically reverse the steps that we did before.
Yeah.
Got a new wheel on. So you can see that there's 2 grooves as well, 2 slots, that one there and there. Yep. I believe will need to be in maybe that hole and that hole there. About to find out. Feels alright. It'd be annoying, me personally, if there was one spline out there.
Yeah.
That feels better straight up.
Okay.
Cool. plug back in. Can I get you to be a champion and give me the airbag?
But should we have gotten like a torque bar for this to know how much torque we need to put back onto the wheel?
Everything should be torqued specifically, but some are just less important than others to be torqued specifically. It's not like we're doing a head gasket.
Yeah, true.
It just needs to be tight. Alright, so the tricky clip's going back in. Easy as that. And that one goes there. This is looking pretty good to me.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
He's done.
Is that Phil?
Did yours do that before?
I don't know. What would it be possible? What would have it doing that?
Oh, I just may have not done it up tight enough, but I felt pretty fucking tight to me.
So in conclusion, Dan, what do you reckon to this wheel?
Not bad of an upgrade.
Yeah.
I rate that.
It's pretty good.
Chunky.
It's thick, yeah, it definitely feels.
Just like needing to carb though.
So Dan, in conclusion, this is what Subaru.
Like, comment, subscribe.
That's right. Peace out. Catch you in the next vid.
That's too early, wasn't it?
You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all, yeah.